Here at Cooper's Fire, quality is the heart of everything we do. We are very proud to be a UK manufacturer and very proud to be manufacturing everything in-house. Recent developments over the last few years has enabled us to invest in automation on the shop floor and bring in some of these processes in-house. An example of this has been the recent powder coating line. We now have access to our own 7-metre powder coating line and can powder coat material in any colour required by the customer that's on the rail chart. Most recently, we've invested in a new CNC lathe with a Y and sub spindle axis. This gives us the ability to do machining and turning of all our in-house parts, yet again controlling the process and having traceability on materials. Our most recent acquisition has been a brand new state-of-the-art 3 kilowatt fibre laser. This, conjoined with a new welding bay, is enabling us to bring in sheet metal fabrication in-house. As mentioned, quality is one of the most utmost things we try and achieve here. We're very proud to have a very robust IBMS system, and along with that, accreditation to ISO 9001, 45001 and 14001 really shows the direction that Cooper's Fire is trying to achieve. Here at Cooper's, we're the only company in the UK that actually manages the whole end-to-end process from design through to manufacture to installation, and that's something we're very proud of here, controlling all our materials, ensuring we've got 100% traceability on components. Check out our website for the full range of products we manufacture in-house.